Welcome to Krafty Kids. Today we're going to be making a calendar for the new year, so let's get started. You will need something to cover your workspace, scissors, a stapler, some colored pencils, and 7 pieces of paper. Note, don't use markers for this. They could possibly bleed through, and then you'd have to start over or do extra steps. Stack your papers neatly and then fold them in half. But put corner to corner first before you crease down so that the fold will be a little more neat, like so. Then open it back up and cut in a straight line on the crease. Then take the stapler and put 3 staples, one on the left, one on the right, and one in the middle. Take your colored pencils or your crayons and decorate the cover. Open the calendar to the first and second page and then start writing your New Year's resolutions. By the way, on January 30th, a Bookie episode is coming out about how to keep your New Year's resolution, so you should tune in for that. Now, decorate the top and write January, and then make your January calendar. Repeat for the rest of the months. Once you're finished with all of those, you can write a little note for the back. Note that the back will look upside down because the staples will be at the bottom, but trust me, it's supposed to be like that. I wrote a template so I can write my favorite memories of 2021. You can also write something like some questions that you answer now at the beginning of 2021 and then answer them again at the end of 2021 to see how you changed. Well, that's all for now. Tune in every Saturday to see more episodes. Bye!